Opening stillness, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently, let your shoulders drop and your hands rest softly. Take a long, slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Again, breathe in and out. Allow the body to soften. Allow the mind to settle. Allow yourself to be here now, generating loving kindness for yourself. Now bring your attention to your heart. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing softly there. This light is compassion, peace, and unconditional love. As you breathe, feel this light growing stronger. Let it fill your chest, your belly, your whole body. Now quietly say to yourself, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease." Again, with tenderness. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Let each phrase plant a seed of loving kindness in your heart. Let yourself receive it fully. No resistance, no judgment, just presence and peace. Offering kindness to a loved one now. Bring to mind someone you love deeply. It could be a friend, a family member, or even a beloved pet. See their face, feel the warmth of your connection. Picture that same golden light flowing from your heart to theirs and silently repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Let the phrases ride the breath, flowing like a gentle stream. Feel your heart open even more. This is love without condition. Extending to a neutral person. Now bring to mind someone neutral. Perhaps someone you see but don't know well. Maybe a neighbor, a grocery clerk, or a delivery driver. They too wish to be happy. They too face joy and sorrow. Silently say to them, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Feel your circle of compassion widening, one breath at a time. Extending to all beings, now let this loving kindness expand to all people, to animals, to the trees, the oceans, the sky, to those suffering and to those celebrating. Let your heart be boundless like the open sky, and repeat, "May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease." Imagine the earth glowing with this golden light, wrapped in kindness. Return to presence. Now gently return your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving. Notice the weight of your body resting peacefully. Wiggle your fingers or toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this loving presence into your day. You are calm.